In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ClickUp as a student or teacher. We'll start from a blank workspace and, in just a few minutes, you'll have an education-ready setup you can customize for classes, semesters, and assignments. First, head over to clickup.com. On the sign-in page, choose Continue with Google, then select your Google account to log in. If you see a quick permissions prompt, confirm to proceed. Once you're in, create your foundation by opening New Space. Give your space a clear, practical title. Students might use something like Fall Semester or Graduate Studies, while teachers might choose a course name or department. When you've typed your space title, click Create a Space to finalize it, then open the space you just created to begin building. Inside the space, click the plus icon to add content. Instead of starting from scratch, select Templates. This saves time and gives you a structure that's already tailored for education. In the template search, type Student, then choose the Student Education template. Click Use Template. You'll be asked to name it. Use a label that helps you recognize the setup later if you plan to reuse it across multiple classes or terms. Click Use Template again to confirm. While the template loads, here's what it's assembling for you. Organized lists for curriculum and courses, helpful views like a board for tracking progress, and a basic set of statuses and fields so you can jump right into planning without building everything manually. When the import completes, open the Getting Started guide. This built-in walkthrough explains how the template is structured and how to get the most out of it, so it's worth a quick scan before you begin editing. Next, open Student Education to see the overall layout and how the template groups your academic work. From there, click Curriculum. This is where the big picture planning lives, perfect for mapping terms, units, or modules. Open 2022 first semester to see a ready-made example you can edit to match your exact needs. Then click Courses to view the course list within that term. Switch the view to Board to visualize tasks by status, which is great for tracking what's planned, in progress, or done at a glance. When you're ready to continue organizing, open 2022 second semester to mirror the same structure for the next term, and click Courses again to manage that set of classes as well. Follow the same pattern for additional semesters or subjects. With this template in place, you'll spend less time setting up and more time teaching or studying.